Let us continue our topic. Here also 4 examples are given. First one, you have already learned, it is a closed curve. It is also closed curve. It's also closed curve and this also closed curve. So what is the speciality of this one? It is a closed curve. It ends the same point where it begins. For example, this one. From here we started and same point we reach. It ends the same point where it begins. It is a closed curve. It ends the same point where it begins. This also closed curve. It ends the same point where it begins. What is the difference between these two? It is a closed curve. It is also closed curve. But this is a closed curve made up of line segment. It is not made up of line segments. Here these two examples, these two are closed. Both endpoints join together. These two are closed curve. But their boundary cross itself. Their boundaries intersecting. Here also their boundaries are intersecting, cross itself. So these two are not simple closed curve. So what do you mean by simple closed curve? These two are simple closed curve because it ends the same point where it begins. Its boundary doesn't cross itself. That is known as simple closed curve. Is it clear? So what do you mean by polygon? A polygon is a simple closed curve made up of line segments. Can you find out which is a polygon with a four-sided made up of line segments? It is a polygon made up of line segment. So it has 4 sides. It is known as quadrilateral. It is known as quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. So what is the definition of quadrilateral? It is a polygon with 4 sides. It is a polygon with 4 sides. What is the definition of polygon? A polygon, it is a simple closed figure made up of line segments. Some examples you can see. Let's watch the next video.